Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best side cutting pliers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Craftsman CMHT816477N diagonal pliers. The Craftsman diagonal pliers are designed for comfort and control with multi-zone bimaterial grips. The cutting edges of these pliers are induction hardened, ensuring they stay sharper for longer periods of time. Made from drop-forged steel, these pliers offer strength and durability. Additionally, they feature a corrosion-resistant finish. The multi-zone grips provide a comfortable and secure hold, allowing for precise cutting and manipulation of wires or other materials. With their sharp cutting edges, these pliers can easily cut through various materials with ease. The drop-forged steel construction ensures that these pliers can withstand heavy-duty use. The corrosion-resistant finish adds to the durability and longevity of the tool, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Klein Tools D248-8 pliers made in USA. The Klein Tools D248-8 pliers are side-cutting diagonal cutters with an angled head design, making them ideal for work in confined spaces. These high-leverage pliers have a rivet closer to the cutting edge, providing 36% greater cutting power than other plier designs. The short jaws and beveled cutting edges permit close cutting of wire, while the induction-hardened cutting knives ensure long life. Additionally, the hot riveted joint provides smooth action and no handle wobble, and the plastic-dipped handles offer comfort and ease of identification. At number 3, we have the Klein Tools D248-9ST Ironworkers pliers. Klein Tools D248-9ST Ironworkers pliers are side-cutting pliers designed for soft annealed rebar tie wire. With short jaws and beveled cutting edges, they allow for close cutting of wire, and the hooked handle reduces slippage. The angled head design makes it easy to work in confined spaces, and the high-leverage design provides 36% more cutting power. The cutting knives are induction hardened for long life, and the pliers are made in the USA with custom, US-made tool steel. At number 2, we have the DeWalt DWHT70275 diagonal pliers. The DeWalt diagonal pliers are designed for strength and efficiency. Made from chrome vanadium steel, these pliers offer exceptional durability, ensuring they last through tough jobs. The aggressive cross-hatch tooth design enhances gripping power, making it easier for you to hold onto materials securely. Additionally, the induction-hardened cutting blades provide improved cutting strength, allowing you to tackle various tasks with confidence. With these features, the pliers not only help you get the job done, but also make your work more comfortable and efficient. And finally, at number 1, we have the Klein Tools high-leverage side-cutting pliers. The Klein Tools high-leverage side-cutting pliers are durable, precise, and designed for professionals who need to get the job done right. With a rivet closer to the cutting edge, these pliers deliver 46% more cutting and gripping power than other pliers. The hot riveted joint ensures smooth action and no handle wobble, while the induction-hardened cutting knives provide long-lasting durability. The streamlined design with cross-hatched knurled jaws and unique handle tempering helps absorb the snap when cutting wire, making these pliers comfortable to use. These pliers are made in the USA and come backed with a limited lifetime warranty. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.